Hey y'all! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tandy and welcome to the tribe. Please make sure that you click the subscribe button down below to join the tribe. Period. It's good vibes on here. So come with me today. We are gonna go get myself a new phone and possibly a new iPad. I'm still deciding. We'll see how the vibes go. But yeah, I love shopping, girl. Hey ho, so I'm back home now. Finally got the phone, but I'm so tired. So I got a phone case that matches the phone. Thank you, baby. And I also got a screen protector because the phone is expensive. So we're gonna do an unboxing together right now. This is what the phone will look like when you get it. I got the blue. I got the iPhone 17 Pro. The lighting, sorry, there's a bit of a glare. So this is the box. Very cutesy. I like this phone. It's not too heavy. This is the back of the box. And once you open the box, this is what's inside. I actually have it upside down. And this is the phone. I'm gonna take it out. We've got quick little instructions on here. We've got your cable for your charger. Honestly, they should give us that adapter too. And that's it. What else is in here? Can't take that out. Can actually recycle the box because it's all paper. But yeah, this is what it looks like on here. I like that it's pretty fast compared to my old phone. Oh, there's my daughter. What can I open that you guys may like to see? Let's open TikTok. It's really fast. And then this is the picture quality. As you can see, it's really good. And it's got the night mode on there as well. Just gonna put that back. You guys can now see me. The picture quality is really good. I love it. Let's take our very first photo. Love that fast one. Okay, I'm gonna go to bed now. It is literally 11 p.m. I should have posted all my TikToks because now all my drafts are gone, child, for TikTok. And I had some really good ones on there that I had saved and everything. But it is well. I thought when I back up and move everything over, it moves everything, but I guess not for TikTok. So now we know. So this is my body glove. I like it because it sort of kind of matches the blue on my phone. My iPhone 14 Plus was also midnight blue. So and this is also midnight blue. I am a huge fan, as you can see, of the midnight blue. This is what it looks like with the cover. Very cutesy. Art within art tab. Okay, period. Yes, baby?
How do you do it?
Honestly, I didn't need the screen protector because this body glove, it covers the screen as well. So if it falls, yeah, it'll be fine. But it's better safe than sorry. Anyway, guys, gonna love you and leave you. I'm gonna go get some rest now. I'm back home from work now. I'm not sure if I told y'all, but after I got my phone, I also stopped at my parents for dinner because they're traveling. And after that, we went and got some Nando's sauce. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get those, the rotisserie chicken. And then you just put like sauce on top, broil for a couple of minutes. Ooh, just like Nando's, baby. I'm telling you now, for free. Yeah, y'all need to really try that. You will not regret. Anyway, let us go ahead and unbox this package. I want to do a pom-pom, so I got this one that you just clip on in your hair. Hi, honey. Close the door just in case someone walks past. I also got some azelaic acid for my face. This has really been helping me with my acne because I've got oily, acne-prone skin. this as part of your routine, you absolutely will not regret. Here's a closer look at that. And I also I'm in this group, guys, like the fashion girlies really be putting each other on. I'm in this group called Pretty Girls Like to Dress or something like that on Facebook, and they always like come through with clothes that you can purchase that are for the low but also looking good. So they were selling these Skims sort of tops on Amazon, and they were like $7 each. Guys, Skims, you're looking at a good $50 plus. But this I got for $7. This is all polyester and spandex. It's very pretty. I love it. So I got 2 of each, 2 white and 2 black, because you know me, if I like something, I'll buy it in multiple colors. Yeah. So yeah, super excited. I also needed something for the summer, something that I can just put on to go to work, and also just chill on the weekends and dress it down or dress it up when I'm going out. But yeah, I'm gonna chill, guys. I'm so hungry, and I'm probably gonna rest. Honestly, it's a lot going on right now at work. It's very busy. So I'm gonna do some self-care tonight. Bye.
What's that, Mommy?
It's so windy today.
What's that?
Air freshener.
Yeah. Yeah. Valentine.
That's upside down. That's funny.
Yeah. Yeah, we can hear the angels calling us. Yeah, we can see the sunrise before us. Yeah, and when I'm in that thing, I make that body say, know what I mean? Hey, like a cop call. Hey, I make it say, throwing the buck in the latest drop. I got stopped by a lady cop. She got me thinking I could date a cop. Cause her uniform pants were so tight. She read me my rights. She put me in a call. She cut off all the lights. She said I have the right to remain silent. Now I gotta holler, sounding like a siren. Talking about, yeah. And I know she the law, and she know I'm the ball, and she know I get high, above the law, and she know I'm wrong. She know I'm from the street, and all she want me to do is fuck the police. Talking about, yeah. We can hear the angels calling us. Yeah. We can see the sunrise before us. And when I'm in that thing, I make it by side. I make it say, yeah. Like a cloud. You want my love, baby. You got me twisted over. Girl, you got me twisted over you. I got what you need right here, baby. So what you wanna do? Baby, I know. Baby, I love you so. But you don't feel like I do. Tell me, what can I do? But I gotta be strong, girl, you did me wrong. And I thought we were really down. I thought we were down. Now you say you want me, girl. Make up your mind. I'm not gonna be here for long. I'm not gonna be here for long. You know you want my loving, baby. Girl, you got me twisted over you. I got what you need right here, baby.
I'm home now. So this was my outfit of the day. I'm gonna chill down.
Don't appreciate the time I put into this love affair. Oh, baby.
Good morning. It is Sunday, Easter Sunday. That is so amazing. Thank you, Lord, for dying on the cross for sins. I feel a renewal of energy because it was my husband's heavenly birthday on Friday. And that always is a bit heavy, but I took the day off because my daughter also didn't have school that day, so took the day off. And then today yesterday I went for my friend's get together. She was hosting us for like a spring event. It was so cutesy. And then now I'm gonna host my parents as well as my other friend. I'm so excited. And then at night my friend is also gonna come. So it's a full day of hosting. I definitely would take tomorrow just to recharge, to be myself, because I need that. I'm an extrovert. I love being around other people, but also at the same time I need time to just recharge, to come back to myself, you know. So now I'm gonna cook. I feel like I cook a lot on this channel, so I'm probably not gonna show that segment of me cooking. Maybe when I'm hosting, if my family and friends are comfortable. So see ya.